about the size.
Yeah.
Can you change this for bigger size?
Bigger size.
Or I need the new ones?
Okay, I should be able to use it. Also back to the market for the after, yeah. So they are very close this times.
Good quality for it.
Yeah. Okay, this is very popular. This one, the position is this. Depends on the size of it. Here, here, here. Yeah, it's movable.
With this, I can use any size.
Yes. And if we see middle or backing, for example, when you have an order for this kind of clothes, and they have the order is have embroidery, is real, and then you need to use this kind of size of book. So for the MaggieFrame, you use this book, and so the first step is you mark the first one. So every time you mark the first one because you need to find the position.
Maybe like that, but I need
Oh,
how it's in English.
the template. Try to find. This is the find the middle.
Yes.
Middle.
And after I need to find the middle of the embroidery, maybe it's 50.
Yeah.
Try that.
So this is the middle of the embroidery.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Good. So when we already know what's the middle of the embroidery, and first we need to position the fixture. We need to position the fixture, and we put it here. This is supposed to be in the middle of the hook.
And this we need to
Yeah. Yeah.
here and here.
Yes. Put inside, and I try to. Also, the first one is the same as the regular one, which we need to struggling to try. We need to try to find the middle. Take this. Actually, this is also can help you remember you have the letters R. But if it's not in the center, you can move and it's Q. And in the future, for this size, you just record and for example here use a label there, so you never try it every time. Just the first time you need to find out. And this one is very interesting. You will see they have a double positioning system. The first one is to use a pin, and the second one is inside it's slide. So they still can move some distance. So when you use it here, they always touch here. You can move up a little bit so they don't hold it too much. And just hold it. I just try this. It's supposed to be in the middle. The middle of the clothes, the garment, supposed to be in the middle of the board. Like this is good. And if this is not in the middle, just move a little bit the fixture. Because everybody, someone maybe they have, they are used to like this, someone is used to like this. In the batch, everyone is like this, it's okay. And then is a simple piece. The first one to find the position of the fixture, the second one, and the second one is so the position is very close. It happens every day when we use this, or even we mark everyone as needed for the also for the computer. We cannot exactly every garment exactly the same. When we use the MaggieFrame and the talent, if we use it within 2 weeks, 2 months, we have more experience. And okay, here is here, here is here, and we can recognize and remember the recognize very precisely. It's a picture experience skills, and then the position will be more precise. And also this process very smoothly, fast.